Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change your phone number on TikTok. If this video helps you out, please remember to go ahead and annihilate that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in. Likely you will be, and you'll be on the home tab. From the home tab, just go to your Me icon. That's your profile. Go ahead and click on your profile, bottom right-hand side of the screen. That's going to open up a page that looks like this. You're going to want to go to the top right-hand side of the screen where you see those three black vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots. That's going to go ahead and open up your settings and privacy page where first heading down right underneath account it says Manage My Account. Go ahead and click on Manage My Account. Here you can manage your phone number, email, password, and you can switch to a pro account to get your analytics. In any case, to go ahead and change your phone number, just go ahead and click on Phone Number. Here you're going to want to enter in your phone number, and what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and send you a text to that phone number. Go ahead and click on the text. It will show you a verification number, and then you will enter in your verification number on TikTok. You have to do this first with the number that you have on file, and then again with the new number you have on file. I'm not going to actually do it, but they're all just like this. It'll open up a page, just enter in your numbers. Unfortunately, I do not want to leak my account. When you're all set, just go ahead and click on the back arrow, top left-hand side of the screen, back one more time, and then back one more time. You can just go ahead and get to the home tab by clicking on the left-hand side of the screen, bottom left, and you can resume watching this baby dance on a pole for some reason. In any case, thanks for watching. Since you stuck around this long, why not stick around a little longer? Go ahead and subscribe, little red button underneath this video. It is completely free. You can always unsubscribe if you don't like it. Take care. Thanks for watching.